Making a list of top 10 best horror movies of all time is not so easy because there are so many greatest horror movies that's evergreen. After researching some days, I understand which is the scariest horror movies ever made and also available on Netflix. Number 10. It. IMDb 7.3. Seven helpless and bullied children are forced to face their worst nightmares when Pennywise, a shape-shifting evil that emerges from the sewer every 27 years to prey on the town's children. Definitely one of the best horror movie. Not only they are horror, but there's action and drama. It definitely made me feel a mix of emotion throughout the entire film, which is why it makes it so unique. I feel fear at moment, then happiness, then sadness. It's truly amazing. Every character is so thoughtfully put together along with practically the perfect cast. It really does feel me I am experiences the moments myself as if I am right there. The Losers Club shows such a great development. They overcome challenges together and they really are true friends. Pennywise is definitely one of the most unique clowns ever. Number 9. Nightmare on Elm Street. IMDb 7.5. A young girl realizes that she has to stay awake at any cost to avoid the cloud killer who is butchering her friends one by one in their dreams. This is a very good and artistic movie. The plotline is very original that you would think such a killer who kills you in your sleep while wearing a blooded glove which is known as Freddy Krueger. This is one of my favorite horror film, plus the fact Freddy Krueger is also favorite horror icon along with other villains. The film happens to have dark tones and Freddy Krueger himself is a evil being that stalks people in your sleep but even be pulled out into the real world. Number 8. The Conjuring. IMDb 7.5. A parent family moves into a farmhouse where they experience paranormal phenomena. They consult demologist Ed and Lorraine Warren to help them get rid of the evil entity hunting them. One of the best horror movies I have seen in recent years. James Wan did a great job of creating a new horror universe. I like the story and telling of the movie. All the characters are lovable and you will be fan of Ed Lorraine Warren. The cinematography here is done really well because I have watched lot of horror movies which fails to do great horror cinematography. We all have seen different kinds of horror movies, but this one is really good with excellent direction and story. Every horror fan should watch this movie and it is based on true events, so that's enough. Overall, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and watch this movie. Number 7. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. IMDb 7.5. Sally, Frankie and their three friends run out of a gas while driving to their grandfather's house. One by one, they are tormented and killed by a chainsaw-wielding killer and his psychopathic family. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre is one of the scariest movies of all time and one of the most important slasher in horror history. The film has a dark tune with the teenagers as they discover Leatherface's messed up family, and the movie has disturbing scenes with the iconic opening scene. The ending is also iconic. The movie does in fact talk about a true story about Ed Gein. Number 6. Hereditary. IMDb 7.3. A grieving family is haunted by tragic and disturbing occurrences. When her mentally ill mother passes away, a woman named Annie and her husband, son, and daughter all mourn her loss. The family turn to different means to handle their grief, include Annie and her daughter both flirting with the supernatural. They each begin to have disturbing otherworldly experiences linked to the sinister secret and emotional trauma that have been passed through the generation of their family. I like performance of every character more than story. Number 5. A Quiet Place. IMDb 7.5. A family struggles for survival in a world where most of humans have been killed by blind but noise-sensitive creatures. They are forced to communicate in sign language to keep the creature at bay. One of the most innovative horror movie of recent times. It really put me on the edge of my seat. Director did a really great job in making this movie impressive. Even some random sound during the movie will make you scared. Number 4. The Lighthouse. IMDb 7.5. Two lighthouse keepers try to maintain their sanity while living on a remote and mysterious New England island in 1890s. An absolute masterpiece of a performance by Robert and William. If you ask me what's the most dangerous creation in universe, then my answer will be human brain. I can prove it with this modern classical psychological horror masterpiece, The Lighthouse. The way it captives your imagination, keeps you unsettled, disturbed, spooked, intrigued is something extraordinary. The movie is one of the greatest thriller films of the past 5 to 10 years. It calls back the old-time horror films that reflect Hitchcock. The performances are great. The Lighthouse is my top pick of 2019. Number 3. Jaws. IMDb 8. When a young woman is killed out on the ocean, Chief Police Martin Brody believes it was the works of a shark. Mayor refused to close the beaches, which leads up to the several deaths. With the help of archaeologist Matt Hooper and Captain Quint, Brody attempts to hunt down the shark. This is what great cinema is supposed to be. I can say without any doubt that this is one of the greatest movies ever made. The effects are stunning, the acting is phenomenal, the story is great, and the execution is also great. The movie starts with two teens trying to enjoy a late night swim, and the girl falls victim to the shark in one of the most iconic deaths of all cinema. We cut to morning and one of my favorite film characters, Chief Brody, is introduced. He ends up investigating the strange death and deduces it was a shark, but Mayor does not approve because he wants to make money off of the tourists. Number 2. The Thing. IMDb 8.1. In remote Antarctica, a group of American research scientists are disturbed at their base camp by a helicopter shooting at a sled dog. When they take in the dog, it brutally attacks both human beings and canines in the camp, and they discover that the beast can assume the shape of its victims. A resourceful helicopter pilot and the camp director led the camp crew in a desperate, gory battle against the vicious creature before it picked them all off one by one. Such a horrifying and excellent film. The practical effects are some of the most terrifying in cinematic history, and they still hold up to this very day. This is a classic film that will be remembered throughout the ages. A film that should never be remade. An absolute atmospheric masterpiece. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Helping one person might not change the whole world, but it could change the world for one person. Number 1. The Shining. IMDb 8.4. Jack and his family moves into an isolated hotel with a violent past. Living in isolation, Jack begins to lose sanity, which affect his family members. The Shining is not only my favorite horror movie, but it is also one of my favorite films of any genre of all time. I love this great combination of psychopath, insanity with horror in this movie. Watch it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and you will still find things you haven't before. This is one movie that can be seen so many different ways. Just remember, everything you see on screen has a meaning. It is a Stanley Kubrick movie after all. The best part is you can enjoy it in every perspective you take on the movie.